Miss me! Tag! Oh, your turn, Grunty. Tag! Nearly! Oh, you're too fast. Oh, slow down. Oh, Miffy! You were close that time. Oh. I give up. Are you okay, Grunty? It's too sunny to run around today. Well, what would you like to play? Skipping? Hopping? That's even worse than running. I know. I've got the perfect thing. Come on, where are we going? You'll see. Are you all right in there, Miffy? I'm fine. Trying to find something. Aha! What's that? A paddling pool. Whoa! Perfect for cooling down on a hot day. Good thinking, Miffy. Now, we just need to fill it up. Okay, you point the hose at the pool and I'll turn on the tap. Okay. Here comes the water. Ready, Miffy? Thunder! Careful, Grunty. Run! It's okay, Hide! Grunty. It's only a summer thunderstorm. I don't care! It's scary! Thunder won't hurt you, Grunty. It's just noisy. Oh! Wait for me! Grunty! Grunty! I'm down here. Oh, there you are. Are you scared of thunder, Miffy? Do you want to come in too? No, there's nothing to be scared of, Grunty. We're safe inside. Thunder's only noisy clouds. Noisy clouds? Why don't we play inside for a bit? We'll be too busy having fun to notice the silly old thunder. If you're sure. Of course I am. Come on, I'll find a game we can play. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This looks like fun. It is. My go. 6. Yes. Ah! Sorry, Miffy. Never mind. Sometimes something to eat calms me down. Thanks, Miffy. Ah! That was noisier than ever. Quick, hide. Grunty, you can't stay under the table all day. Yes, I can. The thunder won't get me down here. The thunder's not going to get you anyway, Grunty. It's just noisy. But it's so loud. Maybe. But I can be louder. Listen. Ah! Silly old thunder, I'm not scared of you. Silly old thunder, I can be noisy too. Boom, boom, boom! I'm not scared of you. Boom, boom, boom! I'm louder than you. You were louder than the thunder. Told you. That rhyme is funny. Let's sing it together next time the thunder comes. Okay. Here it comes. Ready? Silly old thunder, I'm not scared of you. Silly old thunder, I can be noisy too. Boom, boom, boom! I'm not scared of you. Boom, boom, boom! I'm louder than you. Boom, boom, boom! I'm not scared of you. Boom, boom, boom! I'm louder than you. Oh, look, Miffy. I think it heard us. We scared the thunder away. You're right, Grunty. did. Silly old Thunder. You can't hurt me. Shall we go out and play in the paddling pool now? Yes, please. You turn the tap on and I'll point the hose. Okay. Miffy, come and look. The paddling pool has filled itself up. No, the thunderstorm filled it for us. Really? You see, thunderstorms can be good too. Thank you, Mr. Thunderstorm. Thunder isn't anything to be scared of, Grunty. As long as you stay out of the rain. Yes, I wouldn't want to get wet. Whee! Oh, Grunty! I love thunderstorms. Whee! Me too. Hi, Miffy. Where are you going? Hi, Grunty. I'm off to the library. Oh, can I come? I'm hungry. Grunty, there's no food at the library. No, but I can get a book about making cakes. Yummy. Come on, then. Hello, Aunt Alice. What are you doing in the library?
Hello, dear. I'm helping out today. I'm being a librarian.
Oh. I'm here to return my book.
Thank you.
Oh, hello, girls.
Hello, Boris.
I'll have these, please, Alice.
Yes, of course.
Ooh. Can I be a librarian too? And me.
Of course. Always happy to have some help.
My turn.
Well and truly stamped. Thanks very much. Bye.
Bye, Boris. Ooh. Is one of these books about cake?
Oh, no, Grunty. But I'm sure I can find you one.
Yes.
And what are you looking for, Miffy?
A book about tennis, please.
Well, I need to take these back to the children's shelves. Come with me and we can find your books at the same time.
Yay!
Hello, Alice. Hello, girls.
Hello, Miss.
Hold on a moment, girls. I'd better go and stamp your teacher's books.
Why don't we take these books back for you, Aunt Alice?
Oh, that would be very helpful.
Okay. Oh, but where did they go?
Oh, it's simple. The covers will show you where to put them. What a lot of books you have. I never have time to read myself.
Right. Aunt Alice said the covers would show us where to put them. This one's about looking at the stars. That means it goes up high, like the stars. There. Here you go. There. Now let's do another. This one's about flowers. Look. Oh. The flower book must go next to that flower. Yes. Or next to that one. Oh. I know. Now it's next to both flowers, so it must be right. What's the next book, Grunty? It's about swimming. But there's no swimming pool in the library. No, but there is water. Grunty, wait! We can't put the book in the fish tank. Your aunt said the cover would tell us where to put it. That's true. And the cover is about swimming.
Oh, wait! You can't put a book in there.
But you said the cover would tell us where to put it. It's about swimming, so it goes in the water.
Oh, dear. I'm sorry, girls. I should have explained better. I meant the colour of the cover would tell you where to put it.
Oh!
You see, books with the same coloured spines are about the same sort of things, so they belong on the same shelves.
So this red book goes with the other red books.
That's right. All the red books are about sport.
OK, then let's put all the books back in the right places. Ooh, you missed one. Wait for me. Putting books on the shelf. Helping, we love to help. These ones are green.
These ones are red.
Not in a fish tank or they'll get wet. Putting books on the shelf. Helping, we love to help.
Lovely. Everything back where it belongs. Thank you, girls.
Oh, our tennis! Now I know where to find my book about tennis. Here it is on the red shelf, with the books about sport. And Grunty's cake book is down here, with the other books about hobbies.
Well done. Let's take them to the desk and I'll stamp them for you.
I don't know where this book goes. The cover's white, but none of the other books are white.
Oh, it doesn't go on any of the shelves, Grunty. In fact, it's not even a book.
No. What is it then?
Well, it's something I was saving for when my work was done. And thanks to you girls, that's right now. Look!
It's a box of chocolates! Hooray!
Here you are.
Ooh, yum! Thanks, Aunt Alice. It's fun being librarians. Yes, those.
Hi, Miffy.
Shh, I'm playing hide and seek with Melanie and Grunty.
Oops, sorry.
Coming, ready or not? Oh, Grunty. You're supposed to hide when we're playing hide and seek. I was going to hide behind that bush, but Miffy got there first. Aha! Found you, Miffy. Oh, Grunty. You're not supposed to tell her where I am. OK, your turn to seek, Miffy. And my turn to hide behind that bush. You shouldn't tell everyone where you're going to hide. It makes the game too easy. OK. I'll, hide somewhere else then. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Coming, ready or not. Found you, Grunty. Oh, I'm rubbish at hide and seek. I'll give you one more chance, but don't tell me where you're going to hide this time. Thanks, Miffy. I'm going to find the best hiding place ever. 1. She'll never find us this time. 2. This bush is perfect. 3. Oh, no, this one. 4. This one. 5. Coming, ready or not. Oh. Oh, Grunty. I'll give her more time to hide. I'm coming to find you, Melanie. Melanie, where can she be? Behind a bush or up a tree? Huh? No. This one. No.
There you are, Grunty. You said you'd come to Barbara's shop with me.
Sorry, I forgot.
You'd better tell your friends you can't play any more then. Come on.
I have to go with Aunt Poppy now. Bye. Oh. Found you, Melanie. Let's find Grunty. I wonder where she could be hiding. Not here. Grunty, where can she be? Behind a bush or up a tree? Found you! Oh, she's not here. But she was Look! Then where can she be? We've looked behind all the trees and the bushes. Well, Grunty did say she was going to find the best hiding place ever. We give up, Grunty! You can come out now! I've got an idea. Just copy what I do. Ooh, thank you, Aunt Alice. What a lovely fruit smoothie you made us. Well, it's delicious, isn't it, Melanie? Oh, yes, it's delicious. I do hope there's some left for Grunty. She won't be able to resist a fruit smoothie. There. Now we've got you, Grunty. Oh, it's just Snuffy. Oh, maybe Snuffy knows where Grunty's hiding. Oh, yes. Go on then, Snuffy. Off you go. Ha! Oh, Snuffy just brought us here to get this frisbee for her. Snuffy can always snip out a toy to play with. Ooh, that's given me an idea. Here, Snuffy, find Grunty. Come on, that way. She can't have come this far. Snuffy won't let us down. Come on. Oh, no. Snuffy's brought us to Barbara's shop. She probably just wants us to buy her a treat. Grunty can't have come this far to hide. Where can she be? Grunty! You're not supposed to go this far to hide. Huh? But I'd stopped playing. I had to come and help Poppy with the shopping. I shouted to tell you. We didn't hear you. Oh. No wonder we couldn't find you. We looked everywhere. Does this mean I'm the hide-and-seek champion then? Snuffy's a winner. She found you hiding all the way out here. And I know what her prize is. Frisbee! Here you go, Snuffy.